Hello everybody, it's me, Jesse Lego Boy, and I have a tutorial, yay, on how to add annotations to a YouTube video. So, go to your video, right here, click under Add Annotations. Alright, now you're going to want to add, going to choose a speech bubble. Put it right there. Put what we want in it. Alright. There we go. It's like the nice time. You can do that. Alright. Now you're gonna want to go link. You can do a video. You just need the. Well, I'm gonna go under subscribe. Username. Alright. And now you can just watch the video. I like it. So publish your live video here, and it is that simple. Okay, so guess goodbye. Oh, and I'm just very sad that most of the main people like DS Weavy Man, Giveaway Studios, that I'm pretty sure they're quitting. Yes, sad. Okay, well, goodbye.